Here's an example of a matrix. I'm going to use a left square bracket, and I'm going to put two rows of numbers in here. Let's put 5, -2, 4. I'm just making the numbers up. 0, 1, 6, and I'll use a right square bracket. That's a matrix. This has two rows. Now you know rows go across horizontally, and it has three columns, and columns are vertical, so we've got the first column, the second column, the third column. So this matrix has a size, so the size of this matrix is just the number of rows by the number of columns. So this is said to be a 2 by 3 matrix. The size of a matrix is given by the number of rows by the number of columns. So this particular matrix is a 2 by 3. And let's do this. Let's call this matrix A. So I'm going to rewrite it again like this. 5, -2, 4, 0, 1, and 6. And doing so, then I can write this. I can describe the elements. I'm going to call it A sub 1, 1. Now, I'm saying this A because the matrix is A. Capital letter for the name of the matrix, small letters for the elements. And let's say A11, this is a 5. And what the 1, 1 is, this is the row, and this is the column. So the first element is the row, the second is the column. So A sub 1, 2, this will be the element in the first row, like the first row, second column. So this is a -2, and A sub 1, 3, that's 4. This is the element in the first row, third column. Let's just finish them up here. A sub 2, 1, this is the element in the second row, first column. So this is this 0, right? It's the 0 right here in the second row, first column. A sub 2, 2, that's a 1. And A sub 2, 3, that's a 6. Second row, third column. Now here's an example over here at the top right. Here's an example of a square matrix. The number of rows is equal to the number of columns. In this case, this is a 2 by 2 matrix. Now here's a matrix. This has 3 rows and 1 column. And because it has only 1 column, we're going to call this a vector. So a matrix with just 1 column is called a vector. This is a column vector. And in this case, this is a 3 by 1. And then we could write it this way, 1, 3, -5. If we wrote this, this is a row vector. And the size of this is 1 row by 3 columns.